which setting should I use for my eyes? When it comes to eyes, it's not actually important whether you use red or near infrared light. They both have been shown in the science to have great benefits for eye health. The most important thing when it comes to treating your eyes is the distance from the device. If you're very, very close to the device, you're getting the maximum intensity that's coming out of that light. And the more you move away, of course, the light starts to get weaker. So far from the science, what we know is that you need a very low dose of red light therapy for your eyes. So that means with our products, you need to be 65 centimeters away from the light and then gazing just in the general direction of the light. It doesn't matter if you're using red or near infrared light. I recommend using both as long as you're at that 65 centimeters, which is arm's length away, gazing in the direction of the light, 5 minutes a day. That's perfect for an eye treatment.